Alright, y'all. Just got myself sense.
So 15.
Come on. And also, for those of you who think I still live in New Jersey, all the Poland Springs in New Jersey that are sold in New Jersey, well, at least in my area, I know up north it's not necessarily like this. There's a red stripe around the label that says at the edge, not redeemable in bottle deposit states, because Manalapan, where I used to live, is close to the Philly area. And I printed out my receipt because I took too long to explain that. So these were bought in New York State, and they're being returned in New York State. Because I could not find one supermarket in Manalapan that had Poland Springs, or Freehold, or anywhere around there, without the red stripe. I think it takes these. As you can see, the bottle door opens a bit more for these larger bottles. I don't know how the reader manages to read these things facing, like, they like, the bottles are like tilted when they're in that machine. I think that's it for the sparkling, so let's get the rest of these done. That's all. Those are just some brochures for my grandma about Roadrunner. So we'll press the button. And that's it.